if you also use Privyr, then this video is definitely for you. I want to automatically add all my leads to Privyr CRM without any manual intervention. So for that, I'm just going to create this amazing automation, and you can also do this for free today. What you have to do is you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you're going to get a free trial of Pabbly Connect. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. This discount coupon code can get you the maximum discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Yes, you can get the maximum discount using this amazing discount coupon code. And first, I'll suggest you try Pabbly Connect, and then if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan using this amazing discount coupon code. Okay, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window for automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, I'm just going to use Google Ads. So let's just choose Google Ads. For the event, let's just select it as lead form entry and click on this connect. We have received the webhook URL. So just copy the webhook URL and open your Google Ads. Now over here, you have to add a lead form. So as you can see, I have to add a lead form. So for that, I'm just going to go on the C mode and then add lead forms. Now let me just choose the details which I'm just going to collect from my lead and add it right over here. Now after selecting it over here, we have to connect this lead form with Pabbly Connect. So for that, we have this lead delivery option. So open this. It is asking for the webhook URL. So simply paste the webhook URL which you copied from the workflow and then the key and click on this send test data. Once you click on this send test data, it is saying test data sent. So let me just open my workflow and you're going to see that Pabbly is going to capture the webhook response right over here. Now you can see that we have successfully captured the response. We have the number, we have the email, and we have the rest of the details too. Now I'm just going to simply add the details right over here in my CRM. For that, let's just click on this add new action step, search for Privyr right over here, and then simply select Privyr. So I'm just going to search for it and select it. For the event, I'm just going to choose it as create a client and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Privyr and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking for the authentication token. So to get this, just open your Privyr, then you have to go on this automations. Now you have to go on this view all lead sources. Now you have to search for Pabbly Connect right over here. So I'm just going to search for Pabbly Connect and click on this configure button. Over here is the authorization token, so just copy it and paste it right over here in your workflow and then click on this save, and your Privyr will be connected with Pabbly Connect. So easy, right? After we create this connection, we have to enter the name, email, phone, the lead source, and the rest of the details. So over here, I'm just going to enter the details one by one, but over here is a hack that we don't have to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So we have successfully mapped the name. Now let's just map the lead source. Over here, the lead source is Google Ads. So I'm just going to enter it manually, which is Google Ads. You can keep any another lead source according to your own choice. Now for the email, I'm just going to put a slash and map the email. Same goes for the phone number. While you are mapping the test details, you have to make sure that you only map the string value. After you map all of these details, over here it is saying keys. So let's say you've collected multiple details for which the field is not available, then you have to switch on this mapping button. Let's say I want to also enter city. So I'm just going to type city right over here and the field for city will appear. Let's say I want also the age. So I'm just going to put comma age and the field for comma age will also appear. As you can see, age will also appear. So like this, you can create your fields according to your own choice and needs. I'm just going to only keep this much and switch off this keys button. And over here, if you don't want to enter anything, we have to leave it as blank and click on this save and send test request button. Once we're going to do this, it is saying success true. We have successfully created a new client in Privyr. So let me just open my Privyr. Let's just go back towards the client section and you're going to see yes, a new client is created, and we're going to see all the details: first name, phone number, email, lead source, and the webhook source. With this, we have successfully added all the details, and yes, without any manual intervention. Now whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead from this campaign, instantly their details will be added right over here in my Privyr. Not only Google Ads, what you can do is further you can set up many more details. You can simply add WhatsApp, Gmail, Google Sheets to send them a WhatsApp message, to send them an email, to send them an SMS, to add their details in Google Sheets. Like this, you can create multi-step automation like this. Apart from that, if you want to add the details in multiple CRMs at once, you can simply do that too. You can also use HubSpot, Zoho, like this, one by one. You just have to add multiple steps. Yes, using Pabbly Connect, you can automate multiple more things. Apart from the leads, you can automate your social media and much more. I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Connect. Go on our YouTube channel. We have multiple videos. We regularly post automation tutorials. You can refer to that and see if Pabbly Connect is useful for you or not. And if it's useful, don't forget to check out the discount coupon code, because this is a limited time offer. You're going to get the maximum discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. So go and try this. If you like it, do purchase the subscription plan. And apart from that, if you have any questions while trying this, drop them in the comment section below. The workflow URL is attached in the description box below. Do check it out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.